Hello everyone, hopefully you all are fine, and in this tutorial I'm going to talk about ternary operator. So what exactly is ternary operator? So there are many things and there are many complex examples. Ternary operator. Okay, so there are many complex examples given in many sites, but I would try to make it as simple as possible. In short, it can be said it's a shorthand for writing if statement, like there is only one condition, like only if or if else. Okay, now so let me make things very clear. Suppose the first thing is, suppose there is only one if else. It's something like this: if age is equivalent to 18, you are a citizen who is allowed to vote. If age is less than 18, you're not allowed to vote. And there is not something like if age is from 16 to 17, you are a senior teenager, or if age is 18 to 19, you are almost at the end of teens. It's nothing like this. It's very simple. So let us, first of all, this is how we write the syntax. Give it a bracket and write age double equals to 18, and then this is the question mark, and then there will be two conditions: console log you are allowed to vote. So instead of if, we would have written, we just write this, and instead of a curly brace, this is what we write, and this is the condition we would have written in a block of code else. On the other hand, if you just write you are not allowed to vote, now you can give a curly brace here. Many people don't like giving curly brace, but you can give it here. So if we run this script, let's see what we get. You are allowed to vote. If we wrote something like 17, okay, okay, sorry, I didn't print this out. You are not allowed to vote. Okay, so this is very simple, and if we now run this script again, you are not allowed to vote. Okay, so now if you write something like this, okay, yeah, suppose this makes more sense, that you need to be 18 and above to vote. And if you run this again, so this is very simple. Instead of, you would have written if, so just omit the if, and instead of curly brace, just write this and put one condition here, and for the else condition, just put this colon and write this, that if the first condition fails, then this is what you're supposed to get. So if there is one condition and you just want this, that is fine. Now suppose if you want something like this, that okay, I don't even want to have the else condition. I want that if age is greater than or equals to 18, you can also write something, though this is not a ternary operator, but this is a shorthand. You are allowed to vote. Okay, so now if I just comment this out, and if I run this script, let's see what I get. So I don't get anything, but if my age is equivalent to 18, okay, so now you see you are allowed to vote. So we very much get this thing that I'm not a big fan of these, but if there is one or two condition, you can use a ternary operator. Basically, it's a shorthand for if else, used and best likely to be used where there is just simple one or two conditions, or if the one condition is false, then we go back to else. So this is very much it, and as of now we have covered everything needed in control flow. And if you practice or have practiced along with me, and if you have given one or two revision, I believe now your foundation has become a lot stronger. So now you see things are getting they will get a bit tougher, but I will try my best to make things very easy for you. In the next part, we'll have discussion of a major topic which is known as function. So go along with these in your projects. You'll be using these in one form or the other. So the control flow part is done. We'll resume with the function next. Thank you.